Hi all, it's time for dinner. Everything's been defrosted. One thing I remembered is when I dehydrated these red beans, they didn't get cooked all the way. So I put them inside my pressure cooker and I cooked them for around 5 minutes in my pressure cooker. And since I already had the mixed vegetables in it, it just cooked a little bit longer, so that's fine. But if the beans were cooked, I just would have, well, it depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll just cook it in the food with it because it's going to get cooked again anyway. But I want to make sure the beans were cooked so they wouldn't be hard. So anyway, everything's thawed out. We're going to go ahead and make the food. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I have my chopper here. I'm just going to go ahead and chop up the bell peppers and the onions. And then we're going to start building our, oh, and then after that, then I'm going to go ahead and chop up the chicken, and we're going to go ahead and start building our enchiladas. So let me go ahead and chop these up and we'll be back. Okay, so here's the bell peppers. Add the juice. Make sure you get it all in there. And what I was describing earlier, I have them in little strips. That's how I cut them. So I'm going to get the onion now. And this has some of the skin still on it. I'm going to take that off. This part right here I don't want. So I'm going to take that off. Ugh. I need to sharpen my knives. I just need to put gloves on. Alright. Wash my hands real quick. Chop it up, not a bit too light. Ugh. I think I'm put gloves on. There we go. And that's how much it's chopped. And here's the meat. Go ahead and cut it. Now the juice that's inside of it, I keep it. And I put some gloves on. The juice here, I'm going to pour this in. That's just flavor. So I'm going to just peel off any fat that I see. This is the chicken breast. Right here, I notice there's always a little bit of fat that I like to take off if I can feel any. That's meat. Alright, so this is how you turn one chicken breast to feed a family of 9. You make it last. Put that aside. And you can cut it however you like to. This is just what I like to do. And this is actually one of the bigger meats. If it was really thick, I think I could do it 5 times. I think I can do it 5 times. Yeah, it's still a little thick here. There we go. And then okay, I didn't know if it was still taping. Sorry. So every bite we can get some meat. And what's cool, especially if you're trying to portion control, you could easily eat this chicken breast just for yourself. but instead, you can feed your whole family with this. All right, so this is going to go in the container too. So here's what we got. This is the mixture, the bell peppers and the onions. I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken inside of here too. There we go. This chicken mixture, you know, the stuff I told you about, the gravy that was in the chicken, I'm going to put that in there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to season it. Now I could do this in a pot, but I'm not going to do that this time. Now I've already seasoned it with onions and bell pepper, so I'm going to put some cumin in it, and I'm going to put some chili in it. Now I'm not measuring out how much it is. Here's the chili here. I guess I could. I just opened it up. I grabbed one of these right here. I'm assuming this can be like a tablespoon. And I'm going to do like a heaping tablespoon. And I'm putting this in. This is the chili powder. And I think I want to put a little bit more in, because I'm putting it in with the sauce. So I have 2 heaping tablespoons of chili. Now, it is based off of taste. I'm not going to use as much cumin. It's not open. Let me open it. It's really hard if you have a cut on your hand. Hi y'all. I wasn't able to tape all of it because my camera cut out, so I wasn't able to show you how I made it and stuff. But I put it all together, and this is it right here. This is the enchiladas. Those ingredients that you saw, this is it. Isn't this amazing? And I just cut up a lettuce that I already had pre-bagged, and I just put some cheese on it that I already had bagged, and some tomatoes that I already had cut up, and some sunflower seeds and bacon. Now, what I have here is, when I say it's pre-made, when I say prepping is awesome, I mean it. I put it together. Like I said, the sunflower seeds already bagged up. These are the bacon that I had bagged up. That's the cheese. Here's the lettuce, and then here's tomatoes that I already had cut up. When you prep, it saves you so much time. You can make healthier decisions, and you can be able to eat better. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and serve the food, but just so you know, let me show you. These are just some of the plates, but isn't that nice? All right. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and definitely God bless.